See, because I'm making Marry Me chicken, and I'm cooking it early because we preparing for it soon. And this their favorite meal. So it's whatever, but I don't eat it. I'm making me some just baked chicken and cream of chicken with vegetables. You put the you put the Parmesan cheese. Girl, please, I ain't gonna use the computer, but it's for movies, okay? I mean, I could use it though, but it's for movies, okay? It's for movies. Stop, Ranisha. Stop. Alexa, turn it off. Who's going to Alexa, turn it off? Alexa, don't be just coming up. Alexa, turn it off. Everybody tell her to just turn on some stuff because she feel like it. Justin, we should have had some mimosas. Thank you. Somebody just sent me $4.99. Thank you. It's called Marry Me Chicken. Thank you. That's my second gift I've got on live. Thank you so much. Just don't say that word. No, her name is Patty. Thank you, Patty. Um, it's chicken thighs and chicken tenders. My husband loves thighs. Let me show y'all again. Okay, y'all will be able to see it better in a minute. Let me put it right over here.
You are right here.
Because I was about to pour it down. He just put it together. Tripod. Oh, shoot. You done met me. Okay, there you go. Okay. Can y'all see it a little bit? Let me see. All right. They can see it a little bit. Oh, this the same kind like this one? Oh, it's a fire. It's shaking because my husband fixing it up, y'all. Hold on. I can't see what they're saying. What she say? Not, wait. Not for movies. Why would your husband get mad if you get some of that synthetic hair in the food? It ain't synthetic hair, but he ain't gonna get mad. He's gonna pick it right on out, okay? He ain't gonna get mad. He gonna pick it out. What she say? More than just shaking. People, y'all get some crazy people here talking about some knockers. Why you so black?
Ooh.
I don't know. Go on your phone and get on YouTube so you can be my moderator.
You said you black?
Yeah. And then you can moderate. So yeah, this one kind of. Oh, this one different. Let me see. Okay, this one. Something wrong with both of my tripods. They like. Thank you. Then you can read this. Wait, what she said? Then you can read. Oh, that far? Yeah, I was able to read that far. Yeah, that's spinach I put in there. I need to try to make you a moderator, Ranisha. Let me see. How you do that? I'll be needing a moderator for sure.